Yes, youngest, richest nigga in the building. Don't make money and see. See, some people say that if you are a rich man, you will dead. If you are a poor man, you will dead. Yes, you better be rich man and dead because you will you will die with freshness. If you are a poor, you will die with hunger. And see, you know, like if you get money, you better find fresh girl or nice girl. Don't make ugly family, make fresh family. Youngest, richest nigga.
Ebusuafo me ma mu nyina akwa baba free mind family. Ebusuasa nya mu nyina mu nim no beef bi course between Efia Schwarzenegger ene ababa wa bia ye friend no Mona Gucci. A ye hu se Efia Schwarzenegger aso camera esi no so edidi Mona Gucci atem ema empo ebi aka Kantanka TV. Safo Kantanka Junior ena empo ye papa Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka. Social media for eso mu edi Efia tem denu. Ebusua finally Efia Schwarzenegger nienti a oyesa no odi emu enchiremu aba. Nti ebusua yeni kan yen kai ho kakra emra na Efia Schwarzenegger odi Kantanka family ene Kantanka TV atem no. Na se wi a me de enchiremu a odi atodwa no so atoa wo so. Na ye wi nso a sane amu nyina munim no ma kire madwen yenti Efia Schwarzenegger.
When I'm discussing stadium or upside down, nobody should call me again. Me for me, I call you. I'm here. I sent him on. Me was anybody didn't true. Nobody fucking ass. Was here, woman a Gucci. When I have a catch him, so boss, he didn't true. I said I met it to Ghana for no. Kojo Safo Kantanka Junior, it is alleged he's a gay ass fucker. Odima and the collaborative. Abua. What is the makada? Which evidence do I have? Which evidence do they have? How much you video a mimidi cramacho? When you trust, who out trust, how my trap. My trust is Subino. Abua Quasiaba, a Jimmy phone. Let me train. I'm here to obey you. No ma Kenyans, Abua Mokasa to some mammy Jimmy phone. Mamma, what Jimmy phone? Mokasa Sanamity. Monse Bola so Quasiaba. Abua mona, abua dry mona, abua, kwasia, di kwasia na jiska, oye boka, Kantanka bitch, abua, one Ghana ni, I grab people who cry, woo friend, so we Jimmy, no cry, one so Kantanka TV, Kantanka ka. Woo friend say, I grab people who were Jimmy no, one say grabbing polo, Kantanka ka. Woko patch out, I got that free church watching true. Jesse, come to my show. I want you to come and show them Pepper. Abua. Then I'm a friend called Anka and so we a Jimmy for. Why no? One part Tracy Boache chow, and I made the Hunsa Bola so, and I Jesse a Jimmy. Me, I'm catching Tracy say, hey, Manco. Who could that toilet so any girl and who says Subina Katana? Who said Tracy Ama? Menzanga Sam Chow. Not Mr. Drew, no General Gator. No, I'm a friend. Say, Andrew, go back home. Don't go and sit down and discuss with foolish people. What was Mr. Drew? I'm our program now. Nyansa ni bien wa mini roll up. And Nyansa form our program this one. Sabolano. Kwasia. Someone discussing maybe. May catch your danger, Mr. Drew Ama. Ohuye ni minu e ka che no se ntigera ni hunye nyanse sardine konkomi na akowe abua bleaching yemfa nkunsra yempo ye ho eno kwa wo boss wa feri one ne ma no ufi mate kwasia no na me koda mesa babak abua udwan Mona Gucci me ne wono ma me na ne twa kankan no manu
Atenia Efia Schwarzenegger edi Mona Gucci Kojo Safo Kantanka Junior ena empo ase ebika ye papa Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka ena yahwe no nti abusua yenkɔ na yenkonkɔhwɛ enchiremu a Efia Schwarzenegger ede atodwa na se wi a as usual ma kire madwen yenhwɛ enchiremu no.
Now let's go straight to the point. Cheers. Munim se coke there. sister asked me to do it. So I'm going to do it, and I'm going to be very, very brief over it. Madam Aminia Mam say wa frame and was ye fear. Me do nyamidin srow. Ko ne ko chire nsemu e chire Ghana fo, because Ghana fo no ebinum entinsem no ase. So I am doing this for my sister. When I am done, I am done. Just as I said yesterday, I owe no one explanation to my actions. But for the sake of my family, I will do this. Sometime August, miti Kumase, Ena obi ka kire me say, menko na menko he Kantanka TV. Meko so TV no, na girl bi si ye friend no, Mona Gucci at TV no so a interview Miss Bill on the television station. On TV so na sa the phone your friend Miss Bill no. Ekot na o se mi ko Kumase ekodi kraman and am je $5,000. Yan fanton chain. O wie ye no and o se next week mede asumasi ebeba ba be kan amna kebi. And then next week the TV station invited Tornado to come and sit on the TV station to insult my father. During Tornado's interview, Oma Apostle Kodosafo shoutouts, Oma Neba Kodosafo Jr. shoutouts, Emma MCR, more winning TV, MCR, more dining more, more control machine, MCR for us to retreat back. Se Kodosafo Jr. Ese wo chia Tornado. Emma no kwa wo man sika wo ho. Ono free ho no se me dia kwa pimpolo beba. Na kwa pimpolo so aba be ka bia ka ho. E no dia kwa pimpolo ba nti we kwa ese omo bo baton wo TV no so. We kwa no hand battle na ma wo yi. Na tie. Yesi panini a otena seman kwalare na nka no. Ye ka na nkanrefo a o ka ho. Asemi si ya na me fa fom. Na me frɛ nana ya. Before you say honor your father and mother, no. Honor your father. One can say go and honor somebody's father. So when you sit down for somebody to disrespect my father, I can also disrespect your father. And you don't come and sit here and preach honor your father. Assembly starts in August. August, I picked a phone. I called Nanaya Ruby's GH. Semi Pekodosafo Kantanka number. Or see one to me for me. And to the catcher and the catcher will boss say. And so quarter will be a noon. By any night, jai, naya tifufu. Media ube did the matema and family home. Because me, and I'm them in one back. Now more yeme. Nemo muya wadjine. Semi seko eje. 84 years. Ube di na tem. Uya wadjine. Semi mami ye cha. 76 years. Ube di na tem. Uya wadjine. Se James and John. Omo ti o baby o mebo udin. Ube di woma tem. Ne kura kura ha. We mu ho. Na aso de beba. Makuma na so. Adi epe na so de ani ube di bin. Me catch your sister no. Se catch your woman say. Enter sukwa wo bi anu by a jaiti fufu. Enye baako, enye mienu. August, September, October, November me fa fun. Na me frɛ mona. Na me catch mona say dear. Mo yi asam no afiri me so. I de come papa ni na busua so. Ene me maso. Money careful. Because someone better that TV so discussing me no. They are not my size. They are not my size. And money careful. And I'm almost be winning podium won't forget it. Mona mu. When Shadan will say if you mean slow on. I am living on. I have lived life. If I die today, I have been me baby as a chili a matching or a canny part 10 won't grow much. Again, I mean, I went to you, cast Namento, if you namin to Toby. Be a was saying, Penny, be my yebi, Cortier, Namindi, Medi Cortia, what. As you can see, Medi Bruni Cortin and our Medi Bibini Corte. Just say, dear Bill, but I told them, Mimi mother, sit down and do calculation. Nebusa said, why not tell a baby? Why mama can't fear Schwarzenegger, if you're Schwarzenegger cocan. Mimi can once more. Mimi Macao, but say, well, move home. Now the cross it, now the bar. Nancy come in that day. Kwadosa Kantanka Jr. I'm a warm platform. Nobody say, now my papa 84 years. Yes, super no near grown home, near grown mammy home. Motivates mobits not TV. So, some me papa 84 years no, or your junkie. Now my first station now, station boss and I say, on me a fiashwas nigga, and Cassa, and think coming again. Atem did any formula. Atem did any formula. Mamma, some woman in our monkaya send me away. Many, I tell Kodosafu Kantanka Jr. So for me to pick a phone and say I want to talk to Kodosafu Kantanka Jr., it means I have given them the first respect. Then you come back to tell me, sir, you don't want to talk to me, but you will let somebody sit on your platform and ridicule my father. And there will be no commercial break. Will be no adverts. More timmy for part-time, no more adverts. Now, I just want to find out. More timmy for part-time. Maybe papa you hear you. Maybe papa you hear you pusa. And until then, you mean shrame. Say the man shrame papa you. If papa ye hear me, and then I miss Swami, said the Meshame papa ye. More would I go and apologize. Have they apologized to my parents? TV station, you know, have they apologized to my parents? Have they? Abu Madam, a damn and a Wagana Fubitim, a Nansan, a Binimun Timisia. Ha! Media me papa di o yen tomago woni so ba me mani so no o ye Versace said your muhu obi say o ye Prado no mesi kwaje o ye Versace
na atenia eye Efia Schwarzenegger edi Monaguchi Kodosafu Kantanka Jr. Kantanka TV ema empo ebi kwa kan eye papa Apostle Kodosafu Kantanka ni nchiremu anase ni ntia Efia eye saa no na yahwe anase yetie no the Bushania Edikano. Senya Efia claim say Kantanka TV through their program MC Monaguchi no na aye host. Omkofa Miss Bell. Na tornado ene equiapim polo betna so. Enya ne kasetia ema empo ebi eka ne papa no. Se sa pepepe na etie dia ene na Kantanka TV so anya de. Na say Kantanka TV equally owe Efia Schwarzenegger an apology. Because we a TV station ya ensem fata enye fese obema obi akonya no amana babe use o platform edidi obi atem edidi obi papa atem enya obi kasetia ensem fata because so run TV program aho na say obi betna o TV station no so a o say oti ase say ensem a nipa kro beka no two things. It is either say sa ensem no ebe uplifted the integrity, the image and the respect of your TV station and now say more respect and more integrity as a media house no ever form. It is a we host. Now say who hosting program. Now say we invite you be say as an interview and I say only nipa no babe twetwe nkoma. E was say who host no na obo modern a guiding nipa no ne words and his utterances. What him say? Ebia or kasa na say or kasa mane kwa chira. E was say wo stopping no say oh Mr. In fact, your station had here we don't condone personal attacks, we don't condone insult and say I will entreat you to retract all what you've said, what you are saying. Or so host no and wutimi stopping nipa no. Na say wa anya sa na so ma nipa no koso di obi atem edi ni papa atem ema enompo umane nso ho a osa kofa nipa foforo betena so ema omo so be the same thing there na ekwa akoye se unnim ho bi anase wo na wo ne omo ahyehye ho se omo mra metena TV station no so eni di nipa kro no atem, which is not good, which is not okay. Inti we die se sa pepe na tie dia na entwe which Kantanga TV I believe should also come out to apologize to Efia Schwarzenegger say ne be ya yibetime de no kre no ato bebia e wo se ye de to na busua me to aso asenya ye nyina enim no ye say two wrongs does not make a right. And I say obi nso efom ekuma eno nkyere se won so fom na dwa watimase enti ye nua ba Efia Schwarzenegger senya wo ka no se Kantanga TV mpo ekofa Miss Bell Tunadu ene Equiapim Polo betena so di watem di o papa atema eno nkyere se won so in your reply or reaction no be kasama nintra because Kantanga TV minim say a limited liability company watimase and as a obi nso take company as a or register no as a limited liability company and no kire say company na nkasa no a separate entity from the owner. In this case no yem fa ne say Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanga na or TV station no watimase but once a limited liability company and your enterprise no the company is a different entity from Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanga. Inti obi ohompo a obetimi at a company now so na onu ankata krampo onye the chief executive officer wa appoint enkofo a omo running the company omo see to it say the company is on course and the company is doing well what must here inti TV program also no or say ye ti ase say your producer your manager your directors near the your omo behind the scenes are omo making sure say TV program no will become a success. It is through their program Amuna Gucci no na eye host omo akwakofa enkofu bi ababetena so edi watem edi empo obapa atemu a eno nkyere se Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanga ene ne ba no omo nim ho bi because omo no wantie omo enum asem enye omo ena obetena TV station so didi watem. The fact is station no ye omo dia no nkyere se nia course was station ho no omo ene approve ye anase omo nim ho bi make crampo no na ye papa Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanga when hunia a course on poor station also what you say because papa ye na him say or a very busy person in as much as say station here ne dia no nkyere say he knows everything that goes in and out of the station as he follows each and every program what you must say oh ba and I say oba bontia o ba be issue reply no ko say Munaguchi na woni no beef no na ko so udi na tem and ko say Miss Bell na Tunadu ne Equiapim Polo na onbetena so nya okatetia no na ko say udi o matem na nka ujai Kantanga Junior ene ne papa isi nchen and I say opa the station atem na nka jai ne papa ene anase yi ne papa ne ba no de efree mu because anya wo claim say you even wanted to talk to the son one pray ama woni na nkasa no still that does not justify say nia e course o TV ho no ono e na essence ya na say ono na approve ye say omo metna program no so eni say adwuma no because program bia nsa America no mo amuni media work akra no program bia no your program director your producer ne managers ne ade now what you said those are the people you should blame. It is oba ye ena ka oba be attack TV station no Munaguchi ene Miss Bell ne Equiapim Polo ni Tunadu anka fair enough. But obe kasa ko kasetia Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanga dia na entwe because uni evidence bia say Apostle nim ho bi uni evidence bia say Apostle na sebi authorize yes say Miss Bell ene Equiapim Polo ene Tunadu emetna program no so endi watem eni papa atem watem asenti ho no afia won so wanye ne ye entwe ye kurade wa wote kasa ye ne de sebi enye ensem fata kura enfata wo personality enfata wo brand enfata wo as a person ye na enim sebi producer wo yo bi a wo ta di atempa ene say obi cassette ya wo dia on fan che no fine, that is your brand, that is how you have branded yourself over the years, that is what Ghanaians know you to be. Now so say obi di watema di nipa no na say obi di nipa na tema di nipa no ko atem go straight to the point na jai say obi di watem kra na say wo dey fefa nche di amanfo obi no ma wonti omonum kasa kra atem no eno de nya sa na ye no debi eno de nya sa na ye no kra nya sa na ye no kra enye fe nti ho so na afia you owe ye papa Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka an apology pa kese pa, because papa no me for all I know no obune ho. Papa you be a ontina num kasa kra Ghana. He doesn't involve himself in politics on kasa anyhow. The man is just concentrated on his work. Sebi Ghana ha ye can't ni patutri wa omo afa papa ne nsem a enye easy. Papa were contributing immensely to the growth of this country. Kantaka cars near day crowd cassette as a Kantaka car cran. I mean, let us promote made in Ghana goose. Only obi far and not just a casaman and trap. Only obi far and not just a said beside the casa anyhow. Tiafia Okasa now Kasa no iti Kantaka TV o Efia Schwarzenegger an apology. Send ya wo claim say on ko fa Miss Bo mo betina so didi na tem say sabe pepe na e course one say sabe pepe na tie dia, then they also owe Efia an apology, but Efia so especially Efia so owe ye papa Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka an apology, because enye ye papa Kojo Safo Kantanka na edi watem, and there's no evidence to say ye papa Kojo Safo Kantanka na esan ase ana say opinion so say Monaguchi munkofa eya Miss Bo ne nkofo metna station so eni watem eni papa atem watem asienti ho de afia e ho so na entwa yi wa anya de kura debi ye papa Apostle de obu ne ho ewi ase. Give respect and honor to whom honor is due. Obi a obu ne ho bia, whether when any adwen, whether when any adwen ya or ya na se bra obon, you have to give respect to the person. Nipa bia onkasa ntia wa menya ne kasetia. Wati masie ni se nipa bi enkasentia wa menya ne kasetia. Wo inti sebi obi di watem na so ba bontia di nipa na tem na jai ni maame ne nabusuafo esi nchen anase yi omo free mu because omo de omo nye hwe onti omo enum kasa. Wati masie inti ateni na ye call so as Efia is claiming on TV station no crampo no sabi anka Miss Bo ne nkofo mo bi di Efia tem kranka mo yi ni papa nsi nchen sabi mpreduasa eya mo ma ye mu ye papa nom ne ye maame nom ma ye mu ye ho kakra ko ye papa nom bebre crambo name this media things, social media, Facebook, most of them don't even know how to operate these things. It is a young youth no ye be dia grow media mu and I say ye be dia grow on social media edidi ye ho atema eya ye nya ye maame ne ye papa in sinche ye ma omo nwe omo ho ye ma omo entena on ba bi din na ye ni ye ho atem. But the moment I be kasa etia obi ama ebi aka ne maame ne papa no eno de na eye wrong, which I strongly condemn. Tini American kuti ni say Kantaka TV senya Efia Schwarzenegger kano say sabe pe ne course dia, then they equally owe Efia an apology. Na Efia so mra bonten e ma issue apology kese pa enfama ye papa Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka ene ne ba no, because ane ba ne gay say only gay, you have no proof. It is sabi adia we need proof and adia bia we need proof and evidence there. And say we dey better media mo kan as if say sabi preduasa one bema da no na ogina hobi sabi mo maye mu ye ho. Why? And as answer na mo claim say Efia so ne kraman da sabi Efia ne kraman da no na mu ni hobi. And as Efia ne kraman be da krampo a any life. Sanso na say obi be choose aye gay so a any life. Ti mamu eya mamu maye mfa obi personal life will be in natem. Obi ane ne choice. If we are no full of choices. Obi ane bra or person obo. Provided the same yawo yen ni anipa no yen does not affect our lives. Sabi munya ima nipa no yen na de. Obi ni krama beda. It doesn't affect my life. Neither does it affect your life. Inti no. I mean, what is your problem? So also na say obi so will choose to be a gay. It doesn't affect me. Neither does it affect you. Inti no so problem is saying. What you are saying? Inti no me can say. Kantaka TV come and say sorry to Efia, and Efia should also come and say sorry to Kantanka Junior and ne papa Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka. It's as simple as that. Nebusia, me do asese wa hwe me. Me do asese wa sie me. My name is George Freemind and you are part of the Freemind family. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time, have a lovely day. Peace, bless up. Bye.